My name is Mike Wentland. I'm the production manager for Consolidated Fuel Systems. We're an FAA-approved repair and overhaul station for fuel injection system for Continental engines and fuel pump line for the RGs for Lycoming engines. Every unit that comes in gets tested 100%. Nozzles, lines, we check the lines for leaks, pressure, and then, like I say, the fuel pumps, the flow dividers. To overhaul a Continental fuel injection system usually takes anywhere between 2 to 3 days, depending on how many we get in at that time. Our customers really expect a quick turnaround time. So we try to give them the best service we can give them because they expect quality. And we give them quality, they expect customer service, and we give them the best customer service available. And like I say, we give turnaround times 2 to 3 days. Quality, dependability, and on-time delivery. Consolidated Fuel Systems.